guys, Growth 150 here again. We're out here baling now. You can see flashes out the rain. We're out here, we're trying to hurry and get square baling now. So trying to hurry and beat the rain again. Seems like every time we get hay down it rains. So we're trying to haul ass before it pours on us. We're supposed to be getting 75 mile an hour winds, so better get this stuff picked up fast. About 10th gear. That's about, I don't know, my one side's not working on my tractor here. Let's see. Yeah, it's not working, so probably going about 6-7 mile an hour. I'm hurried. Not. Alright, make this. I don't know if you guys can see the lightning, but or kind of put me in pitch dark. What really makes it hard to find your next row is I don't have side lights that broke, so I gotta get some good LEDs on here, and then I won't have to worry about where my next row is. But yeah, on my round baling video, I used my phone upright, so I'm sorry the video looks like shit. And my phone, there's just a piece of crap. Let's just put it that way. Every time I go into make the video, like edit and stuff, fucker always throws me out of the app. So might take me a little while to get that one uploaded, and then probably this one too. So ever since that new update on the iPhones, they fucking suck. I tell you what, my battery sucks. Can't do any hard tasks for them. So all I do is fucking kick you out of the app, so I'm gonna get me buy a newer iPhone or just get a different phone. I don't know. I'm so used to the iPhones. It's hard to switch, you know. So I'm not sucking. I'm looking at the baler through the phone, so it's like gotta make sure I'm not doing slug it or nothing. Humidity right now is about 54, I believe. We usually like to bale around 52, stuff like that. But yeah, I don't know. Give it a minute, but you might see the lightning. The video's not messed up. It's pitch dark out here, so I see a little bit of lightning there. Seems like it's real far away, but it's really not. There's one. Yeah, so trying to hurry. Load's about 306. Pressure's about 910. Not. Plunger going up. Oh, I might have a problem. Oh, that one don't want to dance. Come on. Oh, there she goes. Fuckers like to scare you, those damn little flags. Focus. Oh, that looks like shit. Come on, focus. stuff. And then skip stuff. I mean, it's really hard to hold the phone and bell at the same time. Stuff. I'm sorry, it's a little shaky. It's probably only a 6-minute video. I really got to get this done, so. Hope you guys like this. I know it's a little short. I'm sorry, but I'll get my GoPro set up better soon. Stuff. So. Well, about 2 hours later, we're done. Still lightning all around us, but never got any rain, so that's good. We got it done. So hope you guys like it and subscribe. Thanks, guys.